Thank you so much, Holly. Have you ever wanted to see your face up on the big screen, or maybe even in 3D, complete with a star-worthy smile? Well, our next guest actually is going to make that come true in a way. Dr. John Heimke from Oral Design-Cleveland joins us right now. I am very intrigued, Doctor. I really am.
Really cool stuff.
Yeah, this is technology at its best here. Tell me about dental 3D facial scans and how that works into a smile makeover.
Yeah, this has been in development for a long time, but now what we're able to do using a special RayFace camera system, using 6 cameras, we're able to generate a 3D face. So basically, you know, it's like taking your face and taking it to the laboratory or to my office, and in the background when you're not there, I'm able to design the smile. So that's the camera system there, a company called RayFace, and it's very simple. Doesn't hurt. It just takes these pictures in a matter of a few seconds. There's me.
Good looking guy.
Yeah, with all the different photos. And then the computer uses this advanced artificial intelligence to create this, basically a 3-dimensional me, so to speak.
So it pieces it together, and you could see how the structure of the face all the way around fits, and then the smile. You work on the smile so it works
exactly.
Into that face.
So we can actually digitize the smile and we can place it into that artificial face, and so it's very, very accurate. It's like having the real person there, but they're not there. So we're able to be more precise and more efficient in our workflow.
Sounds like artificial intelligence a little bit, like AI.
Yeah, exactly. And that's the big thing these days is that.
Right.
And so it's really coming into fruition with dentistry, where we can identify cavities, and now we can build beautiful smiles so accurately with these things.
You know, it's just so important that your smile fits you, and this is a hands-down way of finding out exactly how that smile is going to look from every angle.
Exactly, because in analog technology, you know, we had to make some guesses. Now we still make a few guesses, but they're so precise. And then when we finish a smile, you know, we've often talked on the show about smile artistry.
Right.
Well, that's what I do. That's what our technicians, Peter Kouvaris, Pinhas Adar, do at their laboratories. They're all design technicians. They use their smile artistry. I use my smile artistry to finish off that case and make it come alive. So it's your smile, not somebody else's.
Doctor, this has got to be so exciting for someone especially like you, because you're always looking for the next phase, the next chapter here.
Right.
And here it is.
Yeah, it's an evolution, you know.
Right.
I'm in my 3rd decade of practice, and we're going to go on and on. It just gets more exciting every day. The passion goes up, and, you know, just to be able to make better and better smiles for our patients and customize them to such a high level is quite satisfying.
Let's take a look at some examples right now, what you talked about. Right.
So this patient here, look at this. We're able to manipulate the head, so to speak. The lines correspond to dental stuff that it would take a 3-hour lecture, and none of you want to hear about that.
No, thank you for that.
But basically, we took her teeth, we digitized those, and we accurately placed them into this virtual face, and we're able to spin it around. And we're doing dental implant cases, full arch implant cases. We're actually able to put the X-rays into this face and manipulate the jaws. And then we can make the face we can make it more transparent like this, and we can actually look at the teeth in relation to the skull. We can look from behind. We can look in all dimensions.
I feel like I'm watching Iron Man right now.
Isn't that cool?
It really is fascinating.
Yeah, and it's in the dental office now.
And now, besides being cool and nifty and all that and the latest technology, it's there to help the patient because it takes all the guesswork out of it.
Oh, it really dials it in. It dials it in. And my technicians were so excited. They're like, wow, Dr. Heimke, it's instead of the patient having to fly to New York, fly to Atlanta, or do things on FaceTime or Zoom, we're actually basically having that patient virtually in our office as a virtual avatar.
Seeing is believing. And you know what? You got to see it in person. Yeah. Oral Design-Cleveland, right on Center Ridge Road in Rocky River. You can give them a call at 888-255-3588. Great website, everyonelovesmysmile.com or dentalimplantsrockyriver.com. Thank you so much, Doctor. Get it again. All right.
Yeah. See you next time.
All right. Now, coming up here, must see or must miss. It's a little bit of screen time for you. Talking dogs, but don't be thinking it's a kid movie. We'll tell you more about that coming up. Plus, a great place to eat. You saw a movie, how about dinner? We'll tell you all about it as Good Company continues.
This segment of Good Company was sponsored by Oral Design-Cleveland.